Okay, everyone. Today's deep dive is all about learning how to cancel those print jobs in Windows.
Yeah, we're going to become like print unjamming pros.
We've got this awesome guide all about it, and we're going to uncover exactly why these methods work so you can fix it yourself. So let's jump right in. The first method the guide talks about is called the Device Manager Takedown.
So first you press the Windows key and the X key at the same time.
Uh-huh.
Then you go to Device Manager in that menu that pops up.
Okay.
And if you look around a bit, you'll find a section called Print Queues. Find your printer in that list and double-click it.
Yeah.
And then you should see a list of all the pending print jobs.
Okay.
And then you just right-click the one that's giving you trouble. Select Cancel.
Poof. What if the issue is with, like, the system itself, the one that manages the print queues? That's where that second method comes in, right?
Yeah.
The Print Spooler service reboot.
You know, it's actually simpler than it sounds. So you want to start by pressing the Windows key and the R key at the same time.
Okay.
Then you type in services.msc.
Services.msc.
And then you hit Enter.
Okay.
And this will open a window that shows every service running on your computer.
Yeah.
Just find the Print Spooler service in the list.
Okay.
Right-click it and select Stop.
Got it.
And now the guide tells us to open up File Explorer and go to this file path.
Okay.
It's %systemroot %system32 spool printers. This folder, this is where the Print Spooler stores the actual files that represent your print jobs. They'll usually have extensions like .spl and .hhd.
Okay.
And by deleting these files, you're basically clearing out the Print Spooler's backlog. So it's like you're cleaning up the mess that's causing the jam.
Okay.
So now we need to start that Print Spooler service back up again.
Okay.
So you're going to go back to that services window.
Uh-huh.
Right-click on Print Spooler, and this time select Start.
Okay.
And just like with the first method, it's a good idea to do a final restart of your computer just to make sure everything is totally in sync and running perfectly.
Hopefully now, you can tackle any stuck print job with confidence. No more helpless frustration.
That's right. We are print unjamming pros.
Until next time.
See ya.